Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We Group E are presenting on grid-connected solar photovoltaic GCPV systems in Malaysia. Solar energy is one of our most abundant resources, and GCPV systems are a key way to harness it effectively. In this presentation, we will explain what GCPV systems are, their components, the challenges they face, their advantages and disadvantages, and the facts and figures that show their impact in Malaysia. What is a GCPV system? A grid-connected photovoltaic system, or GCPV, is a solar power system directly linked to the national electricity grid. Here's the process. Sunlight is captured by solar panels and converted into electricity. This electricity is alternating current, or AC, and it is synchronized with the grid's voltage and frequency. Synchronization ensures that the electricity flows smoothly and safely into the grid. Unlike standalone solar systems, GCPV systems don't rely on batteries. This reduces costs and improves efficiency. Instead, excess electricity can be exported back to the grid, allowing households and businesses to offset their bills through net energy metering. So, GCPV systems are not just about powering individual homes. They integrate renewable energy into the national grid, benefiting both.
Now, we're moving on to issues and challenges. One of the issues in GCPV system are grid stability, where fluctuating in solar generation causes dangerous voltage, instability, and reverse power flow. To prevent this, utility providers must deploy smart inverters and advanced grid monitoring. Next is maintenance issues. Environmental factors like dust, heat, and other pollution rapidly reduce solar efficiency, while inverters remain as the main technical failure point. To prevent this, regular cleaning and proper maintenance schedule are crucial to prevent safety hazards. Next, up to the challenges in GCPV system. First is the policy and space barriers. Frequent policy shift, tight quotas, and low public awareness discourage investors, while urban installation are also limited. Next is the recycling and disposal issues. Solar panels have 25 to 30 lifespan. Once expired, these become a massive electronic waste. As Malaysia newly adapted in this solar energy, it is important to manage the waste to ensure environmental safety.
I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages of the grid-connected photovoltaic system. First, the advantages. GCPV system have a long lifespan of about 25 to 30 years, making them long-term investment. They also improve energy independence and energy security, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. One major benefit is that the excess electricity can be exported back to the national grid, which helps user reduce electricity bill through the net energy metering system. In addition, solar energy is clean and renewable, which helps reduce carbon emission and support Malaysia's sustainability goal. It also creates job opportunity in reliable energy sector. Now for the disadvantages. The biggest limitation is the high initial installation cost. Solar energy also depends on sunlight and weather condition, so it is not stable all the time. There is no electricity during a blackout unless a battery system is installed, and batteries are expensive. Efficiency also decreases in high temperature, and large space is needed for installation.
Now, I will explain some important facts about GCPV in Malaysia. GCPV is a solar PV system that is connected directly to the national electricity grid. The system converts sunlight into electrical energy, and any excess electricity generated can be exposed back to the grid through the net energy metering. And a typical GCPV system can achieve a performance ratio of around 80 to 85% under good operating conditions, showing that the system is efficient and reliable. For commercial application, a 32.5 kW peak GCPV system in Malaysia can generate approximately 301.5 MWh of electricity annual and reduce around 177 tons of carbon dioxide emission. This shows that GCPV not only save energy costs but also help protect the environment. Right, next, this slide shows the schematic diagram of a GCPV system and explain how the system operates from solar energy generation until electricity is supplied to the user and the utility grid. First, the process starts with the solar PV array. The solar panel absorbs sunlight and converts it into direct current. Next, the DC electricity flow to the inverter. The inverter is one of the most important component because it converts DC electricity into alternating current. After that, the AC electricity pass through the AC distribution box. This component distribute electricity safely and include protection device such as circuit breaker. Then, the electricity goes to bidirectional meter. This meter measures both due electricity import from the utility grid and the excess electricity export back to the grid. Finally, the utility grid acts as a backup power source. When the PV system generates excess electricity, the extra energy is exported to the grid. However, when solar generation is low, such as during cloud weather or at night, electricity can be imported from the grid to supply to the load demand. At the bottom of diagram, we can see example of local AC load such as lighting, air conditioner, computer, refrigerator, and washing machine. This appliance use the AC electricity generated by the GCPV system.
And now we move to the last agenda, which is the conclusions. Grid-connected photovoltaic GCPV system play an important role in supporting Malaysia's renewable energy development by providing clean, sustainable and environmentally friendly electricity. Government initiatives such as FIT, NEM and LSS have accelerated the growth of solar energy adoption in the country. Although challenges such as high installation costs, weather dependency, and energy storage limitations still exist, continuous technology investment and policy improvement are expected to strengthen the future of GCPV systems. Overall, solar photovoltaic technology has strong potential to help Malaysia achieve its long-term energy sustainability and carbon reduction goals.